next mission is to build a bed. I picked up a free memory foam mattress off of Facebook. I got some slats and a bed frame. I just have to do some adaptation to make them fit. I'm going to put the bed side to side in the van. It's going to be a little tight for me at 6 feet, but before I build out the interior, I think it'll work just fine. Let's take a look at the materials and see what we've got. I'm going to use the distance of this bump out here to get 70 some inches across. It's like 72 bump out to bump out. Here's the frames that I picked up. I think I'll use one side, and the other side I'm just going to take this rail and adapt that onto a 2x4. Test fit in the bed frame. I need to go pick up some wood and brackets. So the bed's coming together. I've got these end brackets done up with fence brackets. I've got an Ikea Skorva support across the middle, and I'm about to put the other rail on this side.
Here's a tip. If you're not able to find cheap or free secondhand materials, these Ikea Skorva bed supports are a pretty great option. They slide to fit width, cost $15 each plus $10 for the brackets, and 3 or 4 of them make a really solid bed frame for under $100. A good friend of mine built his ProMaster bed out of 4 Skorvas. Reviews say that the end tabs that hold the beams into the brackets can fail, so it might be worth building a better support, especially for the end beams on your bed.
Here's the finished bed frame. Now you notice here the slats are a little crooked. The van is not square, obviously. It gets narrower at the back end. So the bed's actually a little shorter at the tail end, a little wider at the front of the bed. Also notice I had to offset the center support, so it's back a little bit. So there's a bit of a span at the front of the bed. So hopefully these slats are adequate. If not, I can get another Skorva support and put it up front. But there wasn't a really great spot to screw it into the wall without adding some support, so that's why I offset it.
Here's the finished frame ready for the memory foam mattress.
Alright, just dropped in the mattress, and the bed is looking good. I think that we're gonna have some noise right there on that center support, so I'll probably put some carpet scraps or gym floor scraps on there to cushion that and make it a little quieter. But that should be good. Here's the finished bed installation. It's a full-size mattress, side to side, gives me just enough room head to toe, plenty of headroom over top, good storage underneath. I quieted down that rail with a little bit of scrap gym flooring. The rails on the edge still clatter a little bit, so I might have to put some vinyl down there. Total cost on this was about $25 for fittings and a 2x6. All the other pieces I got for free off of Facebook Marketplace, and I'm pretty happy with the result. This will be a great usable bed for the next couple of months, and it's a platform that I can use once I've finished the interior build and adapt to fit the inside of the van. Next up, I'm going to be installing a muffler, trying to quiet this beast down a little bit, and continuing some work on the engine, and doing some work on the front bumper, and finishing up some other miscellaneous repairs. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.